Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a FAQ page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear professional space where customers can quickly find answers to common questions, which not only helps reduce the number of support inquiries you get, but also builds trust with shoppers. An easy-to-navigate FAQ page can make a big difference in improving the overall shopping experience on your store. Start by opening your web browser and going to shopify.com. From the homepage, look for the login option in the top right corner and click it. Sign in using your preferred method, whether that's your email, a connected provider like Google, or whatever you typically use for your store. After signing in, you may need to complete any authentication prompts, like two-factor verification, to ensure your account is secure. Once you're all set, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing everything in your store, from products to customer orders. Once you're in the admin, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click Online Store. This section houses all the important elements of your store, including your themes, blog posts, navigation, and of course, your pages. Next, click on Pages. Here, you'll see a list of any pages you already have, like a contact or about page. You'll also see a button to create a new page. Click on Add Page to get started on your FAQ. Begin by entering a clear, simple title like FAQ, FAQs, or Frequently Asked Questions. This is key because it's something customers instantly recognize, and it also helps search engines understand the purpose of this page. A straightforward title makes it easier for visitors to find and for search engines to index, improving your SEO. Keep the title short and consistent with the rest of your site. This maintains a clean and professional look. For example, if your site has a minimalist aesthetic, a simple FAQ title will fit right in. Now, move to the content editor. This is where you'll add your questions and answers. To make the page easy to scan, type out each question and format it as a heading. This gives it a clean, organized look and ensures that your visitors can easily skim through to find what they need. After each question, provide a short, straightforward answer in normal paragraph text. Make sure your answers are clear and direct, without any unnecessary fluff. This helps customers find solutions quickly, which is key for a successful FAQ page. Continue this pattern for each question. It's a good idea to group related questions together. For instance, if you sell clothing, consider grouping questions by category, like shipping, returns, or sizing. This makes it easier for shoppers to quickly find the information they need without endless scrolling. You could have a section dedicated to shipping information with questions like, how long does shipping take? And do you ship internationally? Another section might be returns and exchanges with questions like, how do I return an item? And what is your refund policy? When writing your answers, use plain language. Avoid jargon or overly technical terms that could confuse your customers. The goal is to be as clear as possible while keeping your answers concise. Think about the most common concerns your customers might have and address them directly. For example, if many of your customers ask about shipping times, your answer should be straightforward and informative. Mention typical delivery times and any factors that could cause delays. If you mention policies, like your return policy, shipping times, or warranty information, make sure the wording matches your actual store policies and is up to date. It's also a great idea to link to these policy pages for more detailed information, so customers can dive deeper if needed. For example, if a question is about returns, you can provide a brief answer and include a link to your full returns policy page for more details. This not only enhances the user experience, but can also help customers feel more confident in their purchase decisions. Many themes in Shopify display FAQ content in a clean, user-friendly format out of the box. If your theme supports collapsible sections or an accordion-style layout, your headings will naturally translate into this format, making the FAQ page even more interactive and easy to navigate. This feature is great for keeping the page neat, especially when you have a lot of questions and answers. You won't need to over-format anything. Just let Shopify's theme settings do the heavy lifting. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Save. Saving your work will publish the FAQ page within your store's Pages area, so it's now live and ready to be referenced. You can also add it to your store's main navigation or footer menu so customers can easily access it at any time. This is an important step to make sure your FAQ page is easy to find, which will ultimately save your team time answering repetitive customer queries. That's all you need to create the page itself. You've just built a focused, helpful FAQ page on Shopify. To make sure it stays useful, keep it current by updating the questions as your products, policies, or customer feedback evolve. Remember, the more relevant and up-to-date your FAQ page is, the better experience your customers will have when shopping with you. Thanks for watching, and happy building. I hope this helps you create an FAQ page that not only informs, but also boosts your customer satisfaction and trust.